Hi guys, girls and guys. Dave McMillan from Shaving Time. So, nice to see you. Today, we took the delivery of the second scent from Officina Artigiana, which is called Stay Traditional. The original one was called Traditional, this one's called Stay Traditional, and it's an entirely different scent. The original was very heavy on leather and whiskey and tobacco, as in pipe tobacco, not pipe tobacco, as in a nice rich cigar. It then mellowed out, very big hit to begin with, and then mellowed out to different scents throughout the day. Beautiful, just a lovely, lovely scent, but very strong at the beginning. This one is the Stay Traditional, and there's a jar, a massive jar. We have 5.7 ounces, 150 mils, and as you can see, it's got the 5 indentations which signify the 5 essential oils or skin beneficial oils that are in the soap, and I've got it written down in a bit of paper this time so I know what I'm talking about. It's jojoba, argan, almond, grapeseed and castor, all skin beneficial. You've seen many, or you've seen a few videos with people shaving with this stuff. It creates an amazing lather. So the scent, Stay, citrus. Deep citrus, not bright, it's fresh, but it's not bright and it's not pure lemon. It's grapefruit, it's lemon zest or lemon peel. It has some strawberry, some peach and some white musk in there, and it's very nice. So we'll be shaving with the soap, obviously. Put that down there, and then we'll be using the splash, the the aftershave cologne of the same brand, the same scent, the Stay. You can see it's yellow in colour. Probably give it a shake before I put it on, although it doesn't. There's no sediment in the bottle. Now these colognes are 80% alcohol, which means that they can be categorised as a cologne. And normally they would, in aftershave would have 4% fragrance oil or essential oil. In this case, these are 15, so you get a good hit again. Fresh, zesty, breakfast fruit, which then lightens as the day goes on to a mixture of light citrus and white musk. It's very nice. Very pleased with these products from Italy. Okay, right, I've been soaking my brush. I'm using a Sterling for a change. Sterling flat top badger in butterscotch. There you go. And the razor, lest I forget, is something I just took out of my stock because I like the look of it. I've never used this razor before. It is a RazoRock Gamechanger, and I can't remember the handle, like DPV something. Anyway, it's solid stainless steel engineered, everything, head, top. It's got a good weight to it. It's quite small. It's got a good size, but for my hand, perfect. And we'll see how we get on with that razor. As I say, never used it before. I'll probably use, I've got a balm here, I'll probably use the Parasso balm just to soften things up after I've shaved. So, I've soaked my brush and we're going to start. I'll just give another little soaking and shake the excess water out. There we go. Now I think I'll just go straight for face this time as opposed to into a bowl, and we'll see how that works, yeah? Okay, so there's a brush, go straight for face and see what happens. I've rinsed already, although it's a bit dry, so I'll just wet it a little bit more and let's see how we get on. And right away, you're getting a hit of lemon. Oh, absolutely. Filling the bathroom with lemon zest and grapefruit, I think, yeah. I haven't shaved for about 3 days, so not too much growth to play with. I'm not a very heavy bearded person. I could probably get away with shaving every second day. But I can't do that because I've got all these wonderful shaving products that I like shaving with, so, you know, I just dipped the tips of the brush in the head, the knot, into some water, and I'll do that again because it's going on quite thick, and I want to make it as lush as possible, and I want to work it into my beard to get the benefits of these 5 oils. Managed to get some under my glasses, never helps. Occupational hazard of wearing spectacles, what can I say? I always have a problem here in my neck, so we'll give that an extra work to work the lather into those bristles there. And obviously we have the hard points in anyone's face, which is the chin or under your top lip. And I will not be doing my top lip because I am growing a moustache. And I think you can see that as far as lather goes, it's a monster. That was the first thing that we noticed when we first got the traditional in about a month and a half ago, that the lather is just absolutely incredibly thick and lush and heavily scented. Yeah, lovely. Right, I think we're ready for the first pass. Okay, put a brush down over there, rinse my hands, dry my hands, and grab this amazing looking razor, little rinse, so to take the soap off the ends of the moustache, so we don't cause any damage to that pool thing. And we start here. Oh, that's an easy razor to use. Goodness, lovely, absolutely lovely. And if you can hear the razor cutting through the bristles on my face. I think it's lovely. If you shave with a class razor, this is a class razor. I mean, it's £79 in store. RazoRock basically do what other people do, but they make the price more reasonable. That's a lovely piece of kit. Stainless steel, engineered the lot. Okay, that's first pass, yeah? Let me just rinse and we'll do the second pass. I think there will be other scents coming from Officina Artigiana. I'm not sure what they are, but it's a wonderful brand. It would be foolhardy of them not to stop with bringing out different scents. And these are two ends. You know, the traditional and the stay traditional. They are two ends of the spectrum. Yeah, one is, we said, very heavy, masculine, solid scent, and this one's light and fluffy And you know, if you don't like heavy scents, this is the one for you. It's a fantastic lather. I mean, look, that's just incredible. Okay, I'll do the second pass. First pass is always a heavy one. Let's get the majority of the growth off, and then we're going to go across the grain now and reduce the bristle even more. Up on the neck. Puff the cheeks out. Say that clearly. Puff the cheeks out. Get the sideburn alignment proper. Amazingly fresh scent, amazing. Reminiscent of Piacenza, which is based on Acqua di Parma de Colonia, but this is deeper. Okay, second pass. I'm not going to go against the grain today, guys. I don't believe it's good for my skin, but I will do a third pass and go from cheek to ear. A little tip of water in the brush, and there we go. And it's feeling very fresh on my skin. There's no menthol in this, but it has there's a tingle there when I'm shaving, which is very pleasant. Blow the cheeks out again. And my neck is going to go up again. My hair grows out the way, so really to get it perfect close, I need to kind of do an angle, which is very difficult to do because I've got a big massive Adam's apple in the way. And what I do here is I just go under the chin like that, pull my skin to the side and just kind of do that, and then pull the other side and do that. So that gives me a pretty good BBS on the neck, but it's, you know, it's not bad at all. So I think to finish, I'd always like to try and get my chin area a little bit smoother because that's the way I am, I suppose. And it'll be good to see how this razor copes with going against the grain on the chin. Okay. Very nice. Okay, just excuse me while I rinse. Yeah, quick rinse. So, I think you can see it's a lather monster, the Officina Artigiana. Officina Artigiana. stay traditional. And that's what we are. We are traditional shavers, so let's stay traditional. Let's not go down the route of these terribly expensive cartridge razors. Buy a nice razor, buy one. Make it a good one. Last you for life. Right, where are we? Okay, so a little bit splash. Should maybe put a diffuser on it, make it last longer. Yeah, lovely. Very, very citrusy. Absolutely wonderful. And as I said, to finish off, we'll pop a little bit of balm on just to soothe the skin, although I think it probably doesn't need it because of all the essential oils that are in the shaving soap. And the process is nice and light, so it doesn't interfere with the scent at all. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me shaving with the all new Officina Artigiana Stay Traditional and the RazoRock Gamechanger. One spot of news before you go is that Shaving Time will be taking delivery of Moon soaps and balms probably towards the end of next week. I have DHL going to pick those up from California on Monday, I hope. So watch this space. The next soap will be with Moon soaps. Okay, right, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. If you need anything from me, dave@shavingtime.co.uk is my email address. You know the website, shavingtime.co.uk. You can see what we've got and you know, enjoy. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.